the way things have moved along to me, just kind of like some of our politicians. Actually, it goes by entry number. If your entry number is among the following, you have won a door prize. Entry number 27, number 44, number 60, number 67, number 75, number 80, number 98, number 113, 134, 150, 155, 164, 182, 230, 237, 265, 273, 290, 293, 300, 310, 325, or 347. If you think you heard your number in there someplace, come check the board. It's posted inside the main building. Bring your windshield card with you if you have won a prize.
Now